throttle, so it ought to be good on the ground.
Woo!
Oh, it's going to be a little bit like that, isn't it?
And once I get it moving, once I hit a big bump.
Uh-oh, I hate that.
Yeah, you might be able to add just a little bit.
I might.
Oh, come on, no.
Full throttle.
There's full throttle.
God.